Maverick's holistic perspective on the Lean Six Sigma framework. Are you ready to adopt the proven methods of Lean Six Sigma to improve business performance and make your teams more productive? Delve deeper into the key principles of this powerful strategy and discover how it can help your business run smoothly and efficiently. Lean Six Sigma's key principles. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful, proven method of improving business efficiency and effectiveness. To better understand Lean Six Sigma, here are its key principles. 1. Focus on the customer. Understanding your customer's needs and expectations is crucial. Strive to deliver value by meeting or exceeding their requirements. For example, a car manufacturer should design and produce vehicles that cater to the specific needs of its target market. 2. Identify and understand how the work gets done, the value stream. Map out the steps involved in delivering products or services, and analyze how they contribute to value creation. For instance, a restaurant can create a process map that outlines each step from order placement to food delivery. 3. Manage, improve, and smooth the process flow. Optimize the sequence of steps to minimize waste, delays, and other obstacles that prevent smooth flow. For example, an e-commerce company can streamline its order fulfillment process to reduce processing time and ensure faster delivery. 4. Remove non-value-adding steps and waste. Identify and eliminate activities that don't contribute to customer value or are unnecessary in the process. For instance, a bank may remove redundant paperwork and simplify its loan approval process. 5. Manage by fact and reduce variation. Make data-driven decisions and implement controls to minimize process variability, resulting in consistent output quality. For example, a pharmaceutical company can use statistical process control to monitor and maintain consistent drug quality. 6. Involve and equip the people in the process. Engage employees in improvement initiatives, provide training, and empower them to contribute to ongoing improvements. For instance, an organization can train employees in Lean Six Sigma principles and provide them with the necessary tools to drive improvements. 7. Undertake improvement activity in a systematic way. Apply structured methodologies like DMAIC to analyze, improve, and control processes. For example, a hospital can use DMAIC to reduce patient wait times and improve overall patient satisfaction. How to use DMAIC in Lean Six Sigma. To undertake improvement activity in your existing business processes systematically using Lean Six Sigma, employ the DMAIC framework. 1. Define. Projects start with a problem that needs solving. Make sure everyone involved knows their role, why you're doing the project, and what you're trying to achieve. For example, a goal to reduce customer complaints about late deliveries by 30% within 3 months. 2. Measure. Clarify the problem by collecting data on the current process performance. For instance, track the number of late deliveries, their causes, and the steps that lead to them. 3. Analyze. Identify the root causes of the problem using statistical tools and data analysis. For example, determine if a specific shipping carrier or warehouse process is causing late deliveries. 4. Improve. Develop and test solutions to address the root causes. For instance, implement a new warehouse management system or negotiate better shipping terms with carriers to reduce late deliveries. 5. Control. Implement the solution and monitor its effectiveness. Establish control plans to ensure that improvements are sustained and that the process continues to meet customer requirements. For example, set up regular performance reviews and data tracking to maintain improvements in delivery times. Value with Lean Six Sigma. When you're trying to improve value for your customers with Lean Six Sigma, remember that value is what they're willing to pay for. 1. The right products and services. Offer products and services that address your customers' needs and preferences. For example, a software company can develop a user-friendly interface and include features that customers find useful. 2. At the right time. Deliver products and services when your customers need them, minimizing delays or stockouts. For instance, a retailer can optimize inventory management to ensure the availability of popular items during peak seasons. 3. At the right price. Ensure your pricing strategy aligns with customers' perceived value and market conditions. For example, a luxury brand can price its products at a premium to reflect its high-quality materials and craftsmanship. 4. At the right quality. Deliver products and services that meet or exceed customers' quality expectations. For example, a hotel can maintain high standards of cleanliness and customer service to ensure a positive guest experience. For a step to be value-adding, it must meet the following 3 criteria. 1. The customer has to care about the step. Ensure the step contributes to customer satisfaction or adds value in their eyes. For example, providing detailed product information to help customers make informed decisions. 2. The step must either physically change the product or service in some way or be an essential prerequisite for another step. For instance, an assembly step in a manufacturing process that ensures the final product is correctly built. 3. The step must be actioned right first time. Avoid rework or errors that cause delays and additional costs. For example, implementing quality checks at each stage of a production process to reduce defects. Remove steps that don't meet these criteria, but recognize that you may want to retain some non-value-adding steps for regulatory or financial reasons. For example, you need to identify and understand the value stream and eliminate waste and non-value-adding steps. As little as 10 to 15% of process steps add value, often representing only 1% of the total process time. How to tackle waste with Lean Six Sigma. You can improve process flow in a number of ways using Lean Six Sigma, including by reducing waste. The 7 categories of waste are sometimes identified by the acronym TIMWOOD. 1. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of materials and output. For example, a factory with a poorly designed layout that requires excessive transportation of raw materials between production stages. 2. Inventory. Overproduction resulting in too much work in progress or stock. For instance, a clothing retailer holding excess inventory of seasonal items, leading to increased storage costs and potential markdowns. 3. Motion. Inappropriate siting of teams or equipment causing excess movement. For example, a warehouse with a disorganized layout that requires workers to spend extra time locating and retrieving items. 4. Waiting. Delays caused by equipment failure, approvals, or other bottlenecks. For instance, a software development team waiting for approval from management to proceed with a project phase. 5. Overprocessing. Performing unnecessary processing steps. For example, a company requiring multiple levels of approval for a simple expense report. 6. Overproduction. Producing more stock or producing it earlier than needed. For instance, a bakery producing large quantities of bread without confirmed customer orders, leading to potential waste. 7. Defects. Dealing with rework, returns, or waste due to errors. For example, an electronics manufacturer experiencing a high rate of product returns due to faulty components. Lean Six Sigma for better teamwork and decision-making. Lean Six Sigma is not just about processes, but also about people. For your teams to be more productive, they need to be involved in the improvement process and be equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge. This can be achieved through training, coaching, and mentoring. Moreover, Lean Six Sigma promotes a culture of continuous improvement and data-driven decision-making. Some important aspects to consider while involving and equipping your people are: 1. Clear communication. Ensure everyone understands the goals, objectives, and expectations of the project. 2. Empowerment. Give team members the authority and resources needed to make decisions and implement improvements. 3. Collaboration. Encourage cross-functional teamwork to facilitate the flow of ideas and knowledge. For example, involve employees from different departments in problem-solving sessions to gather diverse perspectives. 4. Recognition. Acknowledge and reward individual and team accomplishments to boost morale and motivation. For instance, implement a rewards program that recognizes employees for their contributions to process improvement initiatives. Sustaining improvement with Lean Six Sigma. To make your improvements last, you need to create a culture of continuous improvement and sustain the changes you've made. Here are a few tips for sustaining Lean Six Sigma improvements. 1. Regular monitoring and reporting. Track the progress of your improvements using key performance indicators, KPIs, and report the results to all stakeholders. This helps ensure transparency and accountability. 2. Continuous learning. Encourage a learning culture by offering ongoing training and development opportunities for employees. This could include workshops, e-learning courses, or mentoring programs to enhance their Lean Six Sigma knowledge and skills. 3. Continuous improvement. Foster an environment where employees are encouraged to identify and address new opportunities for improvement. Establish a system for employees to share their ideas and suggestions for process enhancements. 4. Leadership commitment. Ensure that leaders are committed to the Lean Six Sigma principles and are actively involved in supporting improvement initiatives. Leaders should demonstrate their commitment by participating in training, setting an example, and providing resources for improvement projects. In summary, Lean Six Sigma is a proven method for improving business performance and making your teams more productive. It combines the strengths of Lean and Six Sigma methodologies to streamline processes, eliminate waste, and reduce variation. By focusing on customer value, involving and equipping your people, and adopting a systematic approach to improvement, Lean Six Sigma can help your organization achieve higher levels of efficiency, effectiveness, and innovation. With DMAIC as its core framework, Lean Six Sigma provides a structured approach to solving problems and sustaining improvements, ultimately leading to better customer satisfaction and business success. By incorporating these principles and practices into your organization, you can drive continuous improvement and achieve a competitive edge in the marketplace.